All right, you guys, now for example 2, it's going to work more or less the same idea. In this case, they're asking us find the zeros of the function. One thing, guys, whenever they're mentioning zeros of the function, in this case, they're actually talking about our x-intercepts. So zeros of the functions, guys, are the x-intercepts. All right. Now, in order for us to actually solve for the x-intercepts, guys, we need to make the equation equal to 0. So f of x in this case must be equal to 0 in order for us to solve here. So I have the following, guys. I have x minus a 2 squared minus 9 equals 0. And it works the same way as the previous example, guys. I want to go ahead and basically leave the squared expression by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and add 9 to both sides. That's the first step I want to go ahead and do. And this is what you do before you even consider doing a square root, guys. So we have the following. X minus a 2 squared equals a 9. Now, from here, I want to go ahead and get rid of that squared. So I'll take the square root on both sides. And we have x minus a 2, because once again, the square root and the squared cancel, equals a positive or negative 3 in this case. Once again, if you can square a number to give you 9, it could either be a positive or a negative 3. And then in this case, guys, our final step, or part of our final step, is to create the two separate equations, one that is equal to a positive 3 and the other one that is equal to a negative 3. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 to both sides. And on our left-hand side, we have x equal to 5. Then I add 2 to the other side. And I have x is equal to a negative 1. And this here, guys, is our final answer. Final answer. And once again, these represent our x-intercepts. So if we were to graph these, it would be at the 0.5, 0 and negative 1, 0.